This 2016 Grand Design Solitude 379 FLR is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 42 feet 5 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, awning, stovetop burner, microwave, slide-out, TV, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Grand Design Solitude 379 FLR is 13,800 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.